up in your mouth, you speak good to me.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. If not, welcome back. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. So in today's video, if you haven't already looked at the title, it's Vlogmas episode 2, and today is, what is today? Friday, December 8th. It's 6:47 p.m. I am just finished installing my wig. I'm about to put in a ponytail and kind of like clean up my little mess that I have right here. But today, or not today, this episode is gonna be like a maintenance / prep for tomorrow, which is Saturday. I have something coming up. I'm not gonna tell y'all. I said it in the last video, but or it might be in the title, so y'all might already know. But anyway, it's just a prep of what I'm gonna be doing, getting ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow. Yesterday I didn't really do much. All I did was take my nails off. I'm gonna do my nails in a minute. I'm gonna try to clean up my bathroom real quick, and then I'm gonna do my nails. And then I went and got my toes done, as y'all saw earlier, and I just did my hair. Tomorrow I'm gonna curl it. I bought some pin curls from the beauty supply store along with some other like little small stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna try some pin curls tomorrow. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I have a makeup appointment at 12:45, and then the little event or what I'm doing is at 3. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. So what I'm gonna do right now is clean up this mess on my counter. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up in the bathroom because it's hair everywhere. I need to like sweep and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to get into these nails because I didn't film yesterday because I didn't do nothing. Yesterday was Thursday. All I did was take off the polish off my toes, and then I took my nails off. And I took down my old braid down. I washed my hair and I redid my braids. So I felt like that was not like nothing worth vlogging or recording. Let me just stop rambling, and I will see y'all when I'm getting ready to do my nails.
I ain't been like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all.
Today is Saturday, December the 9th. The next day, I think the last clip was me doing my nails. I didn't show y'all because I finished like super late. It was almost midnight when I finished my nails. So, hold on. They a little dry right now, but we just did like some classic ombre on the nails. And now I'm about to get started on my hair. I slept with this like wrap sheet on so it didn't mess up my edges. And then I put this elastic band on top. Yeah, I had to loosen this up during the night because it was hurting my ears. It still hurt my ears. So I'm gonna take this off and get my hot tools plugged up and get started. I already brushed my teeth and washed my face, and I like downplaying my face so I can have like a flawless like makeup application or whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this hair. I don't know if I want to curl it like this, like in 2 separate things, or if I'm gonna go row by row. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Or should I go row by row? I don't really know how they do it. This is my first time curling my hair, y'all. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna go row by row. Well, not row by row, but section by section. And pray for the best. I mean, I don't really know how much I need. I don't know. So I'm gonna do the first one on camera and try to show y'all what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing though. Again, y'all, I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't really know how to curl with a curling iron. I can curl with a flat iron though, but not with a curling thing. Oh my goodness, I'm already over it. Ooh, it's not hot. I was about to say it's not hot enough, but it is. And I'm gonna take one of these. Oh Lord. Here we go. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, y'all. Okay. I guess that's how the girls do it. I don't really know. But I'm gonna do a couple more and then come back. Okay, I finished my pink curls. I'm not really good at curling, so don't come for me. But it looks like a granny. It's like a cute grandma. But then, I don't know. We're gonna see when it's time to bring them out. I'm bringing my curling rod with me just in case I need to touch up any curls. But this is what it looking like right now. I'm gonna put on my little head thing. It's like what you put on your head when you want to wrap it. But you want to like still be able to breathe, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. It's like a little thing. I think that Dominican people wear when you be like your hair blown out. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Alright, so this is what it look like, y'all. I'm probably gonna wear this until, well, I am gonna wear this while I get my makeup done. What are you looking like right now? I can't take myself serious right now. But I'm gonna clean up this mess and start packing up my bag. With like my outfit, my hair stuff to touch up with, and any other stuff I might need. I'm about to go ahead and pack all that up and set it by the door. Okay, y'all, so my heater on, if y'all hear that noise in the back, but it's 11:20 right now. I'm dressed. I just got on oversized t-shirt so I can like take my shirt off without messing up my makeup. A jacket with a hood on it because it's raining, some sweatpants, and I'm gonna wear my little rain boots, my little Ugg rain boots, whatever. It's still early. My appointment not till 12:45, but like I said, I want to get some food first, and I want to get and I need to go to the ATM and get some cash so I can pay. And I think the girl is like 30 minutes away from my makeup, so 25, 30 is 20, 30, something like that. I don't know, but I don't want to be cutting it close and it's raining. Now I gotta do all them stops and stuff. So probably like 11:45 is when I'm gonna leave out, and or 11:30. 11:30 is good. They give me time to sit in somebody's fast food line, go to the ATM. I've already packed the bag with everything, the outfits, my hair stuff that I might need to touch up my hair, my camera batteries, and I'm gonna bring my little small tripod. I'm not gonna bring the big one. I feel like I'm missing something else, but I'm not. But I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know. Okay, y'all, this is not the best angle, but it's gonna have to work. So it is currently 12:01 on the dot. I'm in the McDonald's parking lot, so I just got me something to eat, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making my way to my makeup appointment. It says I'm gonna get there at 12:27. My appointment's not till 12:45, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and start heading that way. And if I pass a gas station, I need to get some change because the ATM gave me 50s and I needed 20s. But whatever, I'm gonna just go ahead and make my way down there and stop at a gas station on the way. I got a small fry. Why is a small fry like $2? I don't understand. And then I gotta make chicken sandwich and a sweet tea. I could have swore the drinks was $1, like the large drinks. This sweet tea was $2, I think, or like $1. No, the fries was like $1.30 something cent, and the sweet tea was $2 fucking. It's a medium. I thought all the large drinks was $1. I mean, I ain't asked for large, but damn, you could have gave me one for, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I'm finna eat, but I'm about to go ahead and start driving. Obviously I can't keep y'all right here while I'm driving, so we'll see y'all when I get to my appointment. Alright, y'all, so if y'all can't already tell by the background, I'm at the gas station. So I ended up going to like the first gas station off the exit. The shit looked closed, but the sign said open, and it was like 2 cars, and I don't know, it was just getting like weird setup vibes. So I was like, hell no, I'm not going there. So then I went to another one next door to it, or down the street from it. She went down, had no change. Okay, girl. So then I came to Old Faithful Quick Trip, where I should have came the first time, and the girl gave me change. I'm good. So it's time to get there now at 12:38. So I need to be on the road. So I'm finna go, and I'll see y'all when I get there. Bye. Bad angle again, I'm sorry, y'all. But I made it to my makeup appointment. Got my tripod. I'm just waiting for her to tell me I can come inside.
About me, I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you met me.
Alright, y'all, so this is the final look.
Say fucked up.
She ate down, period. This is so cute.
Yeah, you
It
look
looks
so pretty.
really good. I want my pictures to be so cute. Yes. I'm excited.
Yeah, he looks so cute.
I hope y'all can see me, but right now I'm on my way to the place that we're going to. We have to be there at 3 o'clock. It's currently 1:59, and it's time to get there at 2:38. I'm kind of pushing it so I can get there, like, I want to be there at 2:30, that way I can get checked in, situated, I can go pee because I how to pee, and then I can, you know, get changed, touch up my hair, whatever, all that good stuff. I'm gonna just vibe out, try to get there safely and with peace, and just hope that everything goes as planned. And yeah, I will see y'all when I get there.
Alright, you guys, so we back from doing our Christmas pictures, and it was a what out of 10?
It was a 10 out of 10. It was a nice place, and it was like nobody was like right on top of you. You kind of had your own like privacy. The pictures came out good, and
She don't even know if the pictures came out good because we ain't never get them yet. So,
but we seen on the camera.
but when we get them pictures for sure, y'all gonna see it's gonna be glass.
Yep, and you're gonna have to follow on Instagram because they're gonna get posted on Christmas.
On the Christmas.
Yeah,
I might break the internet with this one, y'all. So
I think so.
I'm gonna break the internet. This is the first time I ever did.
Both of us
Ever did Christmas pictures. I never did it since I was a little child. She wanna take over.
because they can't even see me for real. Yeah, so this is our first time doing like couples Christmas pictures. We've done Christmas pictures like obviously as kids
with Santa Claus.
Yeah.
So,
You
and
took a picture of white Santa Claus?
I think so.
I don't know.
I probably did. I don't know for sure.
I only took pictures of black Santa Claus.
So Penelope is next up for her.
Yeah, she's at her pictures of Santa next weekend.
Now we're going to get something to eat though, y'all. We're about to go grab a little bite to eat. We might go get Penelope a little treat or something, a little present, early Christmas present.
Pre-Christmas gift.
Because you know she gonna have to open her gifts up too when we.
Yeah, when we start filling up under the tree, because right now this tree is naked. There's nothing underneath it.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of shopping. So stay tuned to.
Stay tuned to the Vlogmas Part 3.
Episode 3. So we still have like what, 3 more weeks left? I planned it out on my iPad. It's 5:30 right now.
Somebody's sleepy.
I am.
She real tired yarning and stuff.
I'm sleepy. I went to bed at 2 o'clock this morning. I woke up at like 8.
Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.
And
Follow Instagram. What?
and what else?
Push the button, the bell. What? I don't know.
Yeah.
Push the button, bell notification. Something like that.
Bye. Alright, y'all, so that concludes the end of Vlogmas episode 2. The last clip y'all saw, we had went to go eat. We just went to this little barbecue restaurant, had some food. Couldn't really film much in there because they had music playing, so I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, that is the end of Vlogmas episode 2. Thanks for watching it, and tune in next week for the next video. If you haven't already watched Vlogmas episode 1, make sure you go watch that. And yeah, see y'all next time.